Let's talk about a growing problem in Microsoft licensing, rising costs. See, over a typical 3-year EA term, Microsoft has been steadily raising prices. Office 365, M365, Power BI, many saw 10 to 15% increases in recent years. And now, with new AI features, base license prices are jumping another 30-40%. So don't be surprised when your next renewal quote is 20 to 30% higher, even if you're not adding users or products. This is by design, not a mistake. So what can you do? 1. Lock in pricing. Push hard for multi-year price protection. Fixed pricing for key products across the term. At the very least, negotiate annual increase caps, 3 to 5%, not open-ended jumps. 2. Time it right. If you know a price hike is coming, for example, a new AI surcharge, renew early before that change hits. Or ask Microsoft to offset the increase with a discount. 3. Benchmark everything. Come prepared. Know how much your licenses have increased since your last deal. Compare your pricing to similar companies and previous renewals. That's leverage. 4. Plan the impact. These hikes add up. If you don't cap them now, your budget could balloon over 3 years, forcing cuts or CFO approvals you didn't plan for. Bottom line, don't accept standard pricing as inevitable. Everything is negotiable, especially when you bring data and timing to the table. Protect your IT budget before the costs run away from you.